Hi guys, the camera configuration of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has been confirmed and it's quite shocking. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Z Fold 4 was previously rumored to use the same main sensor as the S22 Ultra, that's the 108 megapixel HM3 sensor, and was rumored to have two other 12 megapixel sensors, one being ultra-wide and the other being a 3x telephoto lens. But according to Ice Universe, we shouldn't expect dramatic changes on the camera hardware of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and that's because Samsung doesn't want to make the device too heavy, and they also want to make it as thin as possible so it's going to be easy to use. And that means the camera improvement on the Fold 4 is mostly going to come from software optimizations. But that doesn't mean there isn't going to be any hardware improvement with the camera, because Ice Universe also revealed the full camera configuration of the Fold 4, and it's going to have a 50 megapixel main sensor, which I believe is most likely the same 50 megapixel sensor that's on the S22 and S22 Plus. It's also going to have a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 12 megapixel 3x telephoto lens, which according to Ice Universe is going to be Samsung's best 3x telephoto lens on any Galaxy device ever. It's going to be even better than the 3x telephoto lens that's on the S22 Ultra, which is really exciting, and I can't wait to see how well it performs against the competition. So the Z Fold 4 is going to have very capable sensors, and as long as Samsung's optimization is good, we should expect nothing short of flagship level performance from the Fold 4. There's no information on the selfie camera that's on the inner display or the one that's on the outer display. I suspect Samsung is going to improve the selfie camera on the inner display because it's the one with the under display camera technology, and it really needs some improvement. Anyway, we're gonna get more information as we get closer to the launch, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.